Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice questions for understanding similar shapes. Okay, look at it. Find the length of each side marked with a letter in this pair of similar. So they are similar. So we can make it pair 15 and x and 25 with 30. So we can write as 15 over x equal to 25 over 30. We could simplify for the right side by divide by 5. It's gonna be 15 over x equal to 5 over 6. Okay, so 5 times x equal to 15 times 6. So we can divide by 5 both of sides. Cancel, it's gonna be 3. So x equal to 3 times 6, which is 18 centimeter. Next, okay, find x and y. So 30 over 45, 18 with x, 24 with y. Okay, let's proceed. So 30 over 45 equal to 18 over x. So this we can divide by 15 both of sides. So it's gonna be 2 over 3. This is 18 over x. So it will be 2x equal to 18 times 3. We can divide by 2 both of sides. Let's make it times here. So it's cancel. So x equal to 18 divided by 2 is 9. So 9 times 3 is 27 centimeter. With the y, we can make it 30 over 45 equal to y over 24. Here we could simplify, divide by 15 both of sides. So this is gonna be 2 over 3 equal to y over 24. So 3y equal to 2 times 24. So we divide by 3. So y equal to 24 divided by 3 is 8. Y equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, if the areas of two similar quadrilateral are ratio 81 and 16, what is the ratio of corresponding side? If the corresponding side, so square root of it. So it's gonna be 9 to 4. Okay, the two shapes in each pair below are similar. The area, okay, so the formula is the first area, okay, this is first, over area, the second area, equal to the first side area square, and then second side area, and we make it square. Okay, let's proceed. So this is 113.10. We divided by, we don't know yet, so let's make it x equal to 12 square equal to 18 square. So it is gonna be 144 times x equal to 113.1 times, we can find it 18 square, which is 324. So we can divide by 144 both of sides. So 113.1 multiplied by 324, and we divide by 144. So this will give us the answer x equal to 254.46. Not 46, 48. Okay, here also still two dimension, so we just make it square. So we got 4, 7, 6, 1, and this area is x equal to 69 square over 23 square. Okay, so 69 is 4761. We multiply by x equal to 4761 times, we need to find 23 square, which is 529. Both of sides we can divide by 4761. Here also 4761 700 sec1, so this cancel. So x equal to 5 to 9 millimeter square. For this is centimeter square. Okay, number 4. Okay, here still 2 dimension, so we just make it square. So first area is 10 over 40 equal to 1 square over x square. We could simplify it. So this x square equal to 4, which is x equal to square root of 4, and x equal to 2. Here also 2. Now it's 3 dimension. So if 3 dimension, we make it power of 3 or cube. So the first area is 16.2 over 405 equal to 3 cube over x cube. This is 16.2 x cube over 9 square, and 9 cube is 729. We multiply by 405. We could simplify it. Both of them divided by 16.2. Here also 16.2. Here disappear. 729 divided 16.2 is gonna be 45. So x cube equal to 45. We multiplied by 405. It's gonna be 18,225. So we just make it cube root of it. So the x gonna be cube root of 18,225, which is x equal to 26.32. Yeah, 26.32 meter. There's this. Next, we are going to number 5. A shaving crate has a volume. Okay, the volume. So this is 3 dimension. So this is the volume. Sorry, my bad. Let us take a look first. 3 cube. Okay, 3 cube. It has to be 27. Okay, my bad. Let us take a look again. So this is gonna be 27 multiplied by 405. Then divided by, I think that it is. Yeah, we divide by 16.2. So we can try 405 divided by 16.2. Okay, so this is gonna be 25. So x cube equal to 25 multiplied by 27, which is 675. So x equal to cube root of 675, which is x equal to 15 meter. Here also 2 centimeter. Okay, this is the volume. The volume 3/5 over, we don't know yet, so let us make it as y, the new volume. And this, the dimension is x, and double it, so this is 2a. We make it cube. So this is 3500 over y equal to x cube over 8x cube. So we can cancel it. So y equal to 8 multiplied by 3500. So we got 8 times 3500. So this, the new volume is gonna be 28,000 centimeter cube. Okay, number 6. What is the linear scale factor to A to B? Okay, two similar cube, A and B, have a size of 15 and 3. Okay, this A, so if 15 to 3, we can simply divide by 5. That's why divided by 3. Also divided by 3. So this gonna be 5 to 1. Now is B. The ratio of surface area. So if this is 15, we make it square. So 15 square is 225. And then 3 square is 9. Okay, we could simplify it by divide by 9. So it's gonna be 25 to 1. Okay, now is the volume. Volume is cube. So C, we make it cube. So 15 cube is 3,375. To the 3 cube is 27. So we can divide both of them by 27. Simplifies. So this will be 125 to 1. Okay, there it is. Thank you.